Hi, George Kaplan here with part 2 of the Carbon-Z Cessna review, this time with floats. The float kit will work with either the Cessna or their Cub. You'll note there's a few extra parts here. Some are used with the Cessna, some only with the Cub. When you order a float kit, you'll also need to order this wire kit. Make sure you do that because they're not included together. The float's front mounting brackets have a series of holes. Pay careful attention because there are 3 different size holes and they only mount in one direction in the proper way. You'll also have to attach the water rudder to the back of the left float. This attaches to a servo which is already installed. Plug in the servo to the underneath port already built in to the fuselage. It takes about 15 minutes to assemble the floats the first time, but it's only about a 10-minute swap to go between these and the main gear.